Class 8 in question number 2. Factorize the following expression. Okay, so there are 2 or 3 terms there in an algebraic expression which you need to factorize. So as the first one is 7x minus 42. So there are 2 terms here. Now we have to see factors of, we've already done factorizing any particular term. Okay, so factors of 7 and x would be 7 and x. All factors of 42 would be 2 into 3 into 7. 3 2s are 6, 7s are 42. अभी जब आपको इन दोनों के factors पता है, now you have to look for common factor which is present in both the terms, which is in this case only 7. You have a 7 here, 7 here. X here but not here. 2 and 3 are here but not here. So 7 is the only common factor. तो जो इन दोनों terms का common factor होता है, that we keep outside. We say this factorizing by taking common. Okay, so whatever factors are present in both will be taken common. So like 7 we have taken out. Now if you remove 7 from here, from 7x, only one x remains here. So remaining we'll write within the bracket. And from here, if 7 goes, 3 2s are 6 would remain from 42. So the factors for this expression will be 7 and another factor x minus 6. So that is what you've got to do. Okay, so like in this one, you had one term 7a square, another one 14a. So factors of 7a square will come as 7 in a and another a. Of 14 will be 2, 7 and a. Right? So out of this, we see 7 present in both, 1a also present in both. तो 7a, 7 into a, ये आपका common हो गया. तो इससे आप common ले लोगे. So if you take 7a common from here, first वाले term में खाली a बच रहा है, will come within the bracket. Second वाले में से 2 बच रहा है, will come within the bracket. Is it clear what we've got to do? Okay, so 7a comes out and from here only a remains, from here 2 remains. So these are your 3 factors we can say. One is 7, another one is a, and third factor is a plus 2, binomial. Okay, next one if you see, minus 16z and 20z cube. So individually अगर आप terms के factorize करो, so 16 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into a z was there. And negative sign, of course, signs are also equally important. Okay, then 20 has factors 2 into 2 into 5, 2 2s are 4, 5s are 20. Z cube means z into z into z. अब आप इन दोनों में common ढूंढोगे तो you have a 2 here, you have a 2 here, another 2 here, another 2 here as well. अभी यहाँ पे 2 है but इसके साथ कोई और 2 नहीं है. 5 है तो यहाँ कोई 5 नहीं है. एक z इधर है, एक z इधर भी है. यहाँ और z's हैं but यहाँ नहीं है. Okay, so what are we getting common in both the terms? We are getting 1 2, another 2 and a z. That is 2 2s are 4z. So ये 4z हमारा common ले लिया जाएगा. From both the terms, if I take 4z common, तो यहाँ से अगर 2 2s are 4, z गया तो क्या बच रहा है हमारा? एक negative sign, 1 2 and one more 2. So minus of 4 यहाँ से बच गया है. Right? And इसमें से 5z, so that is 5z square remains. वो हम bracket के अंदर लिख लेते हैं. So these are the factors of the given term. Okay. Now I have taken some examples in which we have trinomial. Okay, there are 3 terms. अभी तक सब में 2 terms थे. अभी ये 3 terms आ गए. We can have 3, 4, 5 as many terms. What we need to do is that each term, I hope you understand, in an expression, terms are all separated by plus minus signs are said to be individually terms. So there are 1, 2 and 3 terms here. Okay, so all the 3 terms में आप बस ये देखते हो कि common factors कौन कौन से हैं. Like in the previous questions I showed you by splitting them, all the factors. Here I am cutting it short now. Every time you need not show that working. That was for understanding, for explaining I had done. If you can cut it short, अगर आप mentally orally कर सकते हो, nothing like it. You have to practice that for sooner or later. Okay, so like here one by one, अब आप यहाँ पे observation से ही देख लो. You have 10a square, then you have 15 minus 15b square and plus 20c square. So variables में अगर आप देखो कुछ भी common नहीं है. You have a here but not here, b here not in the other 2 terms, c here not in the other 2 terms. तो variable तो कोई भी common नहीं आ रहा है हमारा. Right? Now numbers में you have 10, 15, 20. Think of the factors. Okay, so if you think 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20. So 5 is a factor which is common to 10, 15 and 20 as well. Okay, so that common factor we write outside, we take it common, we say this taking common. So 5 was factor for all three, 10, 15 as well as 20. So I've written that outside. अभी सोचो यहाँ से 5 चला गया है, तो 5 2s are 10 होता है, तो नंबर क्या बच गया, ओनली 2, एंड वेरिएबल ऑफ कोर्स विल कम, बिकॉज वेरिएबल तो हमारा कोई भी कॉमन नहीं जा रहा है, राइट. Okay, then next comes your from minus 15. So from minus 15 now 5 gone, 3, 5 3s are 15 and negative sign भी बचेगा, तो negative sign रह गया, 3 रह गया and b square रह गया, because only 5 गया है. अभी यहाँ से 5 गया है तो 5 4s are 20, तो 4 remains and c square. Okay, so these will be your factors. Next one, minus 4a square plus 4ab minus 4ca. तो नंबर अगर आप देखो 4 4 4 सब में है, बाहर लिख लो. देन यू सी a, is the a here? Yes it is, and another a. So a is present in all the three terms, तो a भी बाहर लिख लो. तो 4 और a मुझे सब जगह मिला. बाकी देखो you have one more a but no other a here, so cannot be taken common. Obviously b and c clearly दिख रहे हैं, one term में है, not in the remaining terms. Minus sign also अगर तीनों में होता आप कॉमन ले लेते. Okay, so minus also we leave. So we had only 4a present in all three terms, so that we have kept outside. अभी यहाँ से सोचो एक 4 चला गया, एक a चला गया, बच रहा है आपके पास minus sign and a single a. तो minus a remains from the first term. From the second term 4a gone, b left. From third term 4c gone, 4 and a gone, so minus and c remains. So minus c inside the bracket. This will be your answer. Okay, now this last example is there, a x square y plus b x square xy square and c xyz. अभी one by one हम देखेंगे. If you see a, बस इसमें है और कहीं नहीं है, छोड़ दो. Next come to x. Yes, we see x everywhere, so we'll write that x outside. Okay, then one more x was here but nowhere else, so that cannot be taken common. Next we come to y. Yes, we see a y also in all the three terms, so y also we'll keep outside. Then bracket, अभी यहाँ से हमारा एक a बचा था, एक x बचा था, तो ax will come here. फिर यहाँ से x and एक y चला गया है, तो what remains, b and one y, so plus by. Here also xy चला गया आपका, so what remains, c and z, so cz. Okay, so that is all you have to do. See the common factors, put them outside and write the remaining factors within. So these are your two factors. Okay, so likewise there are some, only few parts are left, I think 3 4 5 3 or maybe. So just try them to see whether you've understood or not. If you have any problems, ask me.